Hello everyone, this is Durgesh Pandey. I am your SST teacher. Today here I am with your chapters related from geography. The chapter name is India, size and its location. Dear students, I hope so that you all will well during this pandemic at your home. Students, without wasting our time, we will start our topics. India, size and its location. Students, as we know that our India is totally located in northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. What is hemisphere, students? First we will know it through the sketch. Students, suppose that this is a model of globe. As we know that globe is the true model of the earth. Globe is the true model of the earth. And it is divided into two equal halves by an imaginary line which is known as equator, 0-degree equator. This imaginary line is known as equator. Equator. Students, as we know, the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The upper layer, upper part is known as the northern hemisphere. The southern part, the lower part is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay students, there are an imaginary line also with equator. First is Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 north, and second is Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 southern. Is it clear, students? Before describing it, first we will know that what is the latitude. There are latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India also. Under two, we are totally divided. So first, we would like to know what is latitude. Students, latitude. What is latitude? An imaginary line which are running parallel to the equator, is known as latitude. ऐसी काल्पनिक रेखा जो भूमध्य रेखा के समानांतर गुजरती हो, इस प्रकार की काल्पनिक रेखा को हम अक्षांश रेखा कहते हैं. Now students, we would like to know the latitudinal extension of India. Latitudinal extension of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extension of India. Dear students, if you want to know that what is the latitude, how it can be drawn, these horizontal lines which are running parallel to the equator is known as latitude. Now students, we would like to describe the longitude. longitude. Students, longitude. What does mean the longitude? Here is an imaginary line also which known as Greenwich or meridian. Greenwich or meridian. As we know that our equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The upper part is known as northern hemisphere and the lower part is known as southern hemisphere. Because India is totally lies in northern hemisphere, so we point out here the latitudinal extension into north. And now we can see that the Greenwich divided the earth into two other hemispheres. First is eastern hemisphere and second is western hemisphere. India also totally lies in the eastern hemisphere. So we would like to first we will define the longitude. What is longitude? An imaginary line, an imaginary line which are running parallel to meridian. An imaginary line which are running parallel to meridian. Running parallel to meridian is known as longitude. ऐसी काल्पनिक रेखा जो कि भूमध्य सागरीय रेखा के समानांतर गुजरती हो, भूमध्य सागरीय रेखा के समानांतर गुजरती हो, इस प्रकार की काल्पनिक रेखा को हम देशांतरी रेखा कहते हैं. Longitudes. What is longitude? An imaginary line which are running parallel to meridian is known as longitude. ऐसी काल्पनिक रेखा जो भूमध्य सागरीय रेखा के समानांतर गुजरती हो उसको देशांतरी रेखा कहते हैं. Longitudinal extension of India is longitudinal extension of India is, students, as we know that the longitudinal extension of India is near about 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal extension of India. Students, we will also get this information through a small sketch of India. Dear students, as we denote here, the latitudinal extension is from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extension of India, and longitudinal extension of India is, students, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal extension of India. Students, if we will describe the length of India from north to south and west to east, what is it? The length of India from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari is approx 3,214 kilometer, and the length of India from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, it's about 2,933 kilometer. Students, this is our length and breadth of India. Length and breadth of India. Latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension of India. If we differentiate of the degrees from degree differentiation, if we will find out, then it will be near about 30 degree. If we will subtract 97 from 97 degree 25 minute east to 68 degree 7 minute east, then we will find near about 30 degree differences. How many degree differences? 30 degree differences. The degree differences from north to south and east to west is near about 30 degree. Students, as we know that there is a 4-minute difference between 1 degree to another degree. If we find out the difference between 1 degree to 2 degree, that we will find there is a time difference of 4 minutes. How many minutes? 4 minutes. And if we will find out that distance difference, then we will find that is 111 kilometer. Students, so that we will find that the time difference between the 1 degree to another degree, that is 4 minutes, and the distance is near about 111 kilometer. 111 kilometer. The box which is made up of through the latitudinal and longitudinal line, these box are known as the grid. These box are known as the grid. The boxes which is made by the latitudinal and longitudinal lines are known as the grid. Students, India is also called a peninsular country. So that India is also called a peninsular country. Before knowing peninsular country, we would discuss about its size. What is the size of India? Students, as we know that size we will find through the area. What is the area of India? Area of India is near about 32,87,263 square kilometer, or 3.28 million square kilometer. Area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer, or 3.28 million square kilometer. India has ranked 7th in all over the world on the basis of area. India's ranked 7th in all over the world on the basis of area, and it covers 2.4% of total land mass. total land mass. It covered 2.4% of the total land mass, and near about 17.5% of total population lives in. 17.5% total population lives in, and India has ranked 7th position on the basis of area. The 6 major countries also who are larger than India, who they are? First find out them. The country which are larger than India, they, number 1, Russia, number 2, Canada, number 3, USA, number 4, China, number 5, Brazil, number 6, Australia. These are the 6 major countries which are larger than India. Students, just try to understand. Russia is the largest country on the basis of area in all over the world. Russia is the largest country on the basis of area in all over the world. Second country is Canada. Third is USA. Fourth is China. Fifth is Brazil. Sixth is Australia. And the 7th position held by India on the basis of area. Here is another countries which are on top on the basis of population, like China, which has ranked 4th on the basis of area, but it has ranked 1st on the basis of population in all over the world. And second is India, which has ranked 7th on the basis of area, but it has ranked 2nd on the basis of population. Students, India is also called a peninsular country. Why it is called the peninsular country? A peninsular country, what is the specific character of a peninsular country? If any land mass which is covered 3 sides by the water bodies, as we see here, in the west of India there is Arabian Sea, and in south Indian Ocean, and in east Bay of Bengal. So that students, we can easily understand that in western side there is Arabian Sea, in southern side there is Indian Ocean, and in the east there is Bay of Bengal. So it is bounded 3 sides by the water bodies, so that India is called a peninsular country. Dear students, we will start our next topic in next video. Thank you.